Hi, welcome to the Perry Centre. Dr. Alex Perry here, Chinese medicine doctor and founder of the Perry Centre and also the Natural Fertility and Women's Health app. Thanks for coming along today. One of the very common questions that I get asked in the clinic is, even before someone comes in as a patient, is what to expect in my first consultation. And this idea of a consultation is very common within medicine, whether it's Western medicine or Chinese medicine. And I like to think of it a little bit differently. I like to think of it as not an initial consultation, but as an initial conversation. So really the first step towards treatment or preparing you for treatment or getting ready to even make a decision to embark on some treatment is to sit down and have a conversation about it. And typically there are three components to that, and I'll talk about that a little later in another video. But the first step really is for you and I to sit down and meet. And we can do that in a couple of ways. If you're here in Canberra, obviously we can meet in person, and we typically allow about an hour for that first conversation. Or if you are not in Canberra, if you're elsewhere within Australia, or we have many clients all around the world, we can have that initial conversation over Skype, and that works very effectively in terms of making that starting point. So what to expect in your first consultation? Well, the main thing is you and I are going to get to know each other over a conversation about your health and the issues that are facing you. And once we've got a really clear grasp of where you're at, then we can start to think about, well, what do we do with it and how do we treat you moving forward? So I hope that helps to answer that question, what to expect. It's really important for me that when we complete that first conversation, whatever the outcome is, whether you decide to move forward with treatment or not, that you do have real clarity around where you're at, what we can do, and how we're going to go about doing it. So always make sure, and it doesn't matter whether it's in my clinic or in another clinic, always make sure that you have clarity around what the plan is in terms of your treatment and its solution in terms of where you're trying to head. Hope that makes sense, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.